Have you liked a video on Pinterest and you need to find it, but you don't know how or where to look? This video is going to show you how you can find your liked Pinterest videos, so just follow my steps. I'm going to open the Pinterest app on my phone and then make sure you're logged into your account. The next step, which I'll do quickly, is to like a random video. And let's say I leave a like on this one. So how can we now find it? What you'll want to do is to tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then you're going to click on your profile picture at the top left. I'm now in the Your Account section, and we're looking for an option that's called Home Feed Tuner. That's going to open another page in our Pinterest app where we will see the videos which we liked on our account. Here is the video which I had liked at the beginning of this tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.